Welcome to Aarshi, and in today's class we will be learning about how to make a calculator. If you have remember in the app development also we have learned how to make calculator. So these all are the some methods we are going to use to make calculators. In the previous one we have developed app, and this one we have writing a program in Python languages which is block based. In upcoming class also we will be learning how to write it, like you are going to type it. Here what we are doing, we are doing drag and drop, right? Whatever we are doing here, it's a block based Python. To understand more about block based Python, I have shown you something over here. If you see, we are going to make a calculator. So before making calculator, what all things you have to keep in your mind, what are all the variables you are taking, you have to keep in your mind. So first variable is that we have to take two numbers, because we are making calculator means it should have two numbers, right? Yes or no? So, and one should be operator. What do you mean by operator? Operator, here I have assumed you are taking addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. There are four operators I have taken here. Understood? So the operator is the variable, because we are going to give like whenever we are run the program, it is going to ask you what is the operator. What is the operator? Operator means you want to add two numbers or you have to subtract two numbers. That we have here, we have added here as an operator. Then I have taken two numbers. One is number A, one is number 2, or you can take it first number or second number, whatever you want. The point is that I have taken two numbers because two numbers we are going to add. We have to add. If you are going to add three numbers, then you can take another variable. And at the end, we have another variable called its result. What is that result? If you are adding the result, whatever the result will be coming, adding or subtraction. If you see in the script, okay, it is a block based, you can see here. But if you see in the script, it is written import math, like we are calling the math function right now. Operator is a string or input. Why we have given string means operator means it's a alphabet we are using. If you see here, number A, int we have used. Int means integer type, means plus like positive, like we are integer means all positive numbers we are going to use, or anything we can go for, any number we can go with. Integer means negative number also included or positive number. Okay, so here what you have given, you can see the result is equal to what, number A plus number B, and we are going to print the result. Till here you understood? Here operator is what, is a string value. If the operator gives, like if the operator is equal to plus sign, you can see it's an inverted comma. But in the Python you have to remember where to add inverted comma and then colon. These all things you have to mark. When we practice writing, we will do it. Like in later on classes, we will be learning how to write the codes. Here simply we are dragging and drop. So to make you understand more what you are doing. So if you see here, it is given if the operator is equal to the string value. String means any alphabet, and input will be operator. And if the operator is equal to plus sign, if you are giving plus sign, then the operator is asking to do addition. In the similarly way, if the operator wants negative, like if the operator is subtraction, minus sign you can see, then input will be first number and second number. Everywhere you have to give that indication of input of first number and second number. Understood? Because in all the cases you have to give two numbers, you have to take two numbers. But in the end, what you are going to do here is that at the end, if the result is, like for example, it can be negative number, it can be a positive number, right? The result, whatever the answer will be coming, you are going to, like you are going to print that word. So that's why I have given print result. So it is going to, but whenever you run the project, whenever you run the program, first of all, if this plus sign or anything, then again you have to run for negative sign, like minus, again you have to run for plus sign. So let's run and check it's working or not. So you understood? So similarly you have to take what, if the input is plus number, then int, take a input value, enter first number, then take the variable of b equal to what, int number, it will be the second number. Then what you are going to do, the result is equal to what, number 1 plus number 2, result will be printed. In similarly what you are going to do for the what, for minus also, you can see first number, second number, then the result, you can see here plus I have taken, for example negative for the minus. A and B minus. Then what you are going to do here is that if you see here the for what, this is what, multiplication, right? The star mark is for multiplication. So first number and second number, then we have to multiply. Division, this is the division sign, so we can divide it. Understood? Now let's run and check. So if I click here run, then it is going to first ask operator. So for example, if I take operator multiplication and then enter first number 5, then enter 4. See, result. Understood how you are going? If you want to print, like print result this much, so you can go to the string, you can add something, you can add another one like print or a value. It will say the result is this much. Understood? Now let us take another number. You can say, for example, we will take a division. Sorry, we'll take division, enter. Okay, why it is not taking? Because you have to see here, it is some gap is there, so gap, not space is there, so that's why. So stop and run again. So that's why you have to make sure, you have to remember where space should be given. For example, 8 divided by 5. So decimal number also can be found out. So let us check negative numbers are coming or not. Let's take, we will take subtraction. Sorry, why subtraction is not taking? Where is subtraction? Let us check subtraction. Negative, negative subtraction. Let us check. Enter subtraction. First number, let's 5. Then I will put 8 minus 3. Understood how to make the calculator? Easy. Try to do it and practice. More you practice, more you will get the knowledge. Okay. See you in the next class.